Sometimes we need to make changes to the packing slip before we invoice it. Here's one that's in a packing slip, and I did not enter the freight amount. I could enter it here, but it would mess up any future confirmations or copies of orders that may be coming out. So the best thing to do is to send it back into the sales order, change it in sales order, and then redo the packing slip process. So what I do here is, well, let's pretend I didn't pull it up yet. 703474 is the one I was looking at. Look that up. And you will hit delete to send it back into sales order. You want to make sure you didn't click on anything before hitting delete, or it will just send back the one thing you highlighted. So I have not touched anything. I will hit delete and reinstate it back to sales order and hit save. Now I can go back into the original sales order. Now I can enter the amount that I need, and then I would hit packing slip again. Double check. And now it's updated. If you accidentally click something before you hit delete, all you have to do is hit the back button and then go back to the one you want and hit delete. Just make sure nothing individual is selected when you hit that delete button. Hope that helps.